Hi students, let us start our new lesson. When people rebel, 1857 and after, from history. Okay, this is the lesson we are discussing about how the people started standing against or they became rebellions. Okay, anybody stand against the system, they are called rebellions and the process is called rebel. Okay, so what are the reasons for this? So many policies introduced by British. We know that British came for trading in India and they started control over the nation and they started to rule us, and they introduced some policies that all against of us. It's not against an ordinary person, not only, even kings, queens and ordinary people called peasants and soldiers are called sepoys, also affected by policies introduced by British. So this is the reason for rebel. Okay, let us go through detail. So Nawabs lose their power. Nawab means some kings loses their power because of policies of British. Okay, the power of authority of Indian kings started deteriorating, means decreasing due to the policies of Britishers such as appointing of residents. Resident means some officers. Officers level they introduce Britishers and also they should sit in the court of kings, Indian kings. And doctrine of lapse. Doctrine of lapse means the king not have his heir in the sense next king from his family, his son should be take responsibility. If son is not there, that is clinched by the British people. That type of system is called doctrine of lapse. That is introduced by Mr. Dalhousie. Okay, so like this, so many British officers appointed, because of their torture, so many Nawabs loses their powers. Okay, example, one of the place in India is called Awadh. What happened? Because of the residents, so many things happen there. Okay, for example, coins means currency. On the currency or the coins, there is a picture, there is an image of the Indian kings, but British cancelled that. Okay, these are the things made Indians become rebellions. Some people very important like Queen of Jhansi, we tell her Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, and Nana Sahib, these people try to pursue, means stand against the British for not annexing their territory. Annexing means handover, because of they not have children, but they are hiring some children, adaptation they are following, even though British not accepted. So these are the reasons king also get angry against the British. And related to peasants and sepoys, peasants were burdened with heavy taxes. The ordinary people who are do agriculture and some land work, they have to pay a lot of tax to the British. Okay, there are such type of taxes were there: permanent tax, Rayotwari tax, Mahalwari tax. Such taxes are very cruel. Okay, without mercy they have to pay the tax, otherwise they want to face punishment. Land were taken away from them due to non-payment of tax. If these people, peasants, not pay the tax in time, their land taken by the British officers as a punishment. Okay, and next related sepoys like soldiers who are working in British army, for them they are unhappy with their salary and allowances. Allowances means some facilities. They are unhappy with the salary. If compared to British soldiers, very less salary for Indians, more salary for British people. Sepoys were forced to follow the rules which were against their religious beliefs. So many Indian soldiers, they have own religious beliefs. For example, in 1829, Burma is our neighboring country. That time there was a war going on. Okay, British have to do war in that. But you want to go for Burma means you have to cross the sea. They forced the Indian soldiers go and cross the sea and do the war. But according to our belief, we should not cross the sea. That is our belief. We should not go. Through the land only we fight. But British people not accepted. And they introduced one more law, that is, in future any soldier have to take a post in the British army, means he should accept that he should go through the sea route only. Okay, like this, British people introduced so many policies which are against us. For example, against for Indian kings and queens, peasants, even soldiers. These type policies made the people become rebel, means standing against the British rule. Okay. Next time we discuss about responses to reform. Thank you.